Today I'm so jealous. I have another Melissa and Dexter. Oh, poor dog. Melissa and I collect these points and I got 100, and when you get 100, you get a prize. So
from what? What points? What points are we talking about here?
Homeschool.
Oh, okay.
And I got this prize, which I have a lot of more. And I have another prize. That kiss, wait. That kiss? Oh, cool. He's a kid. Okay, let's get this. There's a lot of them. Okay, let me scoop this over here. We'll open that later. And sweet treats. I haven't finished it, but I almost done. And
so these are other ones that you have
I
already?
love this one because it's
reusable.
Yeah. And then here's the animals. I love it so much. Oh my god. And here's like another one.
Oh, you just knocked over Duchess.
And then here's another one. Like, it's kind of like the same, but okay.
Can we see that one?
Okay. Whoops. Here, let me see. Sticker page. I love this one. I like it. See one, and then let's count the others. Next over here. Oh god, there's a lot of stuff. Oh, and dinosaurs! Who doesn't love dinosaurs? Dinosaurs. Okay, hold on. Sorry, there's so much. Okay, sticker page.
Oh, but you didn't put stickers on them, yeah?
But
So you have to dress them up.
yeah, but this is how they basically look. Okay, and next, sweet treats. Oh yes, sweet treats. I like this one. But these are just stickers. Let's see. Ooh, that looks good.
So what do you have to do with this one, Dallas?
You put the stickers on here, but they stay there. But you decorate them how.
Oh, so you decorate the treats.
Yeah, and here's another one. And another one, which I did that one. Yeah.
Yummy ice cream.
And that one. Oh my god, I have to show you more than the others. Wow. Okay, let's open this. I guess. Okay, how do you open it? Yeah. Okay, let's get kitty cat. Oh! Wait, I think it's still a wrapper. Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, let's see. Wait, I don't think they're reusable. I mean, I think they're reusable. Here's a princess and fairy. Princess and fairy. Oh, here. That's like what there.
All the different scenes.
I'm gonna pick here. I'm gonna pick which one I want. I'm gonna do outdoor play.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Sticking them. Do they look reusable to you? Or what, Mama?
Oh, here's a teddy bear.
Oh, teddy bear! Teddy bear! Dolls! Yay! Dolls! Bunny bear! Okay, let's dress them. I think I'm gonna use. They're so beautiful. I don't know which person I want to dress. Let's just go with this one. Press.
This was what I would do. Since she has blue undergarment, I would probably.
But you can't see it.
Well, that's just me.
Maybe just this. Right. Okay.
Perfect.
And maybe a shirt to go with that. This.
That looks like it goes together.
No. Okay, just leave it there.
Oh, yeah, I would start with the shoulders and work my way down. That's fine, Dallas. You did fine.
Okay. She's nervous. Oh my god. I'm nervous because I don't know what to do. Should I put a bow in her hair?
Why don't you get the outfits done and then put the accessories?
Yeah. So let's put this blue hip in, which means basically we're in blue. This way. And maybe if her little bow, maybe is her blue bow?
There's little blue bows there.
This one. Oh man.
I think that's enough. Maybe sunglasses if you want.
Yeah, blue sunglasses. Okay, I think she's done. Let's go with this girl. She's gonna look pretty. I'm not putting this one. Let's put this. Just a little thing. Okay, let's put.
Watch your hair.
Okay, let's put maybe this one. Right? I might need a little help with this. Or no, it's good. It's still good. That's perfect. Basically, it's perfect. There. Looks good. And now I want to do this one, that one, and maybe, I don't know. Well, I'll just get this one. There. That looks actually very perfect. Lots of fun with this. Now, if you like this video, give a like and subscribe.